Put some south in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke. Tacos de mollejas. Boil some water and add some salt. And today we will use some pork chorizo and some beef sweetbreads. Make sure you wash them before you put them in the pot though. Next, go ahead and add the chorizo. Let the sweetbreads boil for a couple of minutes. After that, let's go ahead and light up our grill. Tincture it all the way. Next, clean the grate. Gotta clean them. And so the sweetbreads don't get stuck to the grate, go ahead and apply some cooking spray. After that, go ahead and place the sweetbreads on the grill. And this is the magic: Kosmos dry rub, the Dirty Bird Texas beef, and the cow cover. And after several minutes, we're going to go ahead and butterfly these sweetbreads. They're kind of thick, so you want to butterfly them so they can be done quicker. After they're done, we're going to take them off the grill and go ahead and slice them into small pieces. You know, just small enough where we can make ourselves a nice taco. And next, we've got the tortilla. Place them on the grill, let them char a little bit, and next we put on our mollejas, or sweetbreads, on the tacos. And the finishing touch will be some cilantro and some onion. No tomato, just cilantro and onion. And of course, lemon. And there you have it. Some molleja tacos, sweetbread tacos. They're very good. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. This is Dave saying so long from Southbound Smoke. Put some south in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke.